Hey guys! Welcome to the pyforAll channel. My name is Nicholas, and in this video, I will show you how to create the function to register customers into SAP system. With the SAP system open, let's navigate to the Options menu and select the Script Recording and Playback option. In this part, we will name the file that we are going to record the script and start recording. Now access transaction XD01. Select the option New Customer via Internet. On this screen, we will fill in the customer data required for registration. After filling in all the data, we save the registration and go back to the main screen and stop recording the script. Now let's open the file that we recorded the process carried out in SAP. With the Visual Studio Code open, let's access our sap.py file and create a method called register customers and pass it as the file path argument. Now let's use Python's pandas library to read the data from Excel. Pandas depends on OpenPyXL to read the .xlsx, so we will need to install this library. We'll also need to replace the blank space in the columns with an underline. In this part, we are going to copy the script recorded in SAP and paste it into our Python file. Let's loop in our data frame to register all the customers in the spreadsheet. Let's make some adjustments to the script generated to be executed by Python. In this part we will change the recorded names by the variables. Now let's access our main file and create a method called register. We created a message box for the user to confirm the registration and check to see if the answer was yes. Now we must call the function that will register customers into SAP. Finally, we created another message box to inform you that the registration was successful. Now let's do a test run. If you like this video, leave the like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. See you.